Mediterranean courtyard house designs. Nature meets luxury in outdoor living spaces. Introduction: Embracing the Mediterranean charm. Welcome to another episode of By STD. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of Mediterranean courtyard house designs, a perfect fusion of nature and luxury in outdoor living spaces. If you love the idea of blending timeless elegance with the serenity of natural surroundings, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on these captivating designs. Now, let's embark on this architectural journey. The essence of Mediterranean architecture. Mediterranean courtyard houses are renowned for their unique architectural charm, characterized by a seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. This design style draws inspiration from the coastal regions of southern Europe, particularly Spain, Italy, and Greece. A key element is the central courtyard, which serves as the heart of the home, offering a private outdoor sanctuary. These courtyards often feature lush gardens, sparkling water features, and comfortable seating areas, creating an inviting environment for relaxation and socializing. Design elements of Mediterranean courtyards. Mediterranean courtyards are designed with a deep appreciation for natural materials and colors. Common design elements include terracotta tiles, wrought iron railings, and stucco walls, which exude warmth and rustic elegance. The use of arched doorways and windows enhances the visual appeal, while stone and brick pathways lead you through the courtyard, adding a sense of history and character. These elements work together to create a harmonious and timeless aesthetic that is both luxurious and grounded in nature. Landscaping for serenity. Landscaping plays a crucial role in Mediterranean courtyard designs, as it transforms the outdoor space into a tranquil retreat. Lush greenery, flowering plants, and aromatic herbs are often incorporated to enhance the sensory experience. Olive trees, lavender, and bougainvillea are popular choices, adding vibrant colors and pleasant fragrances. Incorporating water features such as fountains or small ponds not only adds visual interest but also provides a soothing soundscape, enhancing the overall ambience of the courtyard. furniture and decor for outdoor luxury. When it comes to furnishing Mediterranean courtyards, comfort and style go hand in hand. Furniture pieces are typically crafted from natural materials such as teak or wicker, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. Plush cushions and throw pillows in rich, earthy tones complement the surrounding environment, inviting relaxation and conversation. Adding decorative elements such as mosaic tiled tables, lanterns, and outdoor rugs can further enhance the luxurious feel of the space, creating an outdoor living area that rivals any indoor room. The role of natural light. Natural light is a fundamental component of Mediterranean courtyard designs. The layout often includes strategically placed windows and doors that allow sunlight to flood the interior spaces while maintaining privacy. The central courtyard itself is designed to maximize light exposure, with open areas and skylights that brighten the space. This emphasis on natural light not only highlights the beauty of the architectural details but also creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere that seamlessly connects the indoor and outdoor environments. Climate considerations and adaptations. Mediterranean courtyard designs are inherently suited to warm, dry climates, but they can be adapted to different environments with some thoughtful modifications. In cooler regions, incorporating features like outdoor heaters or fire pits can extend the usability of the courtyard throughout the year. Shade elements such as pergolas or retractable awnings can provide relief from intense sunlight while maintaining the open, airy feel of the space. By adapting these elements, you can create a Mediterranean-inspired retreat that is functional and enjoyable, regardless of your local climate. Sustainability in Mediterranean designs. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in modern architecture, and Mediterranean courtyard designs offer several opportunities to incorporate eco-friendly practices. Using locally sourced materials reduces the environmental impact of transportation, while energy-efficient lighting and irrigation systems can minimize resource consumption. Additionally, incorporating native plants into the landscaping not only supports local biodiversity but also reduces the need for excessive watering and maintenance. These Incorporating modern amenities. While Mediterranean courtyards are deeply rooted in tradition, there's no reason you can't integrate modern amenities into these timeless designs. Adding features such as outdoor kitchens, built-in grills, and sound systems can elevate the functionality of the space, making it ideal for entertaining and relaxation. Integrating smart home technology can also enhance convenience, allowing you to control lighting, irrigation, and climate with ease. By blending modern comforts with classic design elements, you can create a courtyard that is both luxurious and highly functional. Personalizing your Mediterranean courtyard. One of the most exciting aspects of designing a Mediterranean courtyard is the opportunity to infuse it with your personal style. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more eclectic mix of colors and textures, the key is to create a space that reflects your unique taste and lifestyle. Consider incorporating personal touches such as custom artwork, family heirlooms, or travel souvenirs to make the courtyard truly your own. This personalization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also makes the space more meaningful and inviting. Conclusion: creating your own Mediterranean oasis. As we wrap up our exploration of Mediterranean courtyard house designs, we hope you've been inspired to bring a touch of this elegant and natural style into your own outdoor living spaces. Remember, a well-designed courtyard can transform your home into a serene retreat that offers both beauty and functionality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ByJSTD for more architectural inspiration, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.